आज के WhatsApp पे we get you all the behind the scenes action of a fashion show from the BITS Pilani Fest Goa and Youngistan speaks out on ragging.
Yes! Hello and welcome to Pepsi MTV. What's up? The voice of Youngistan. मेरा नाम है Jose and we are at Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. और यहाँ पे कॉलेज फेस्टिवल चल रहा है. It's called Zodiac 09. This is a sumo wrestling event. मैं इसको मार डालता हूँ, तब तक you go check out the big dog.
आज हम लोग हैं at Tharumal Jahani Engineering College. What's up, guys? Okay, Aman Khachru, first year MBBS student. इतनी रैगिंग हुई उसकी. The seniors beat him up so much कि वो मर गया. Our topic for today on Talkback is क्या रैगिंग होनी चाहिए? आप लोग बोल रहे हैं नो और आप लोग बोल रहे हैं yes there should be ragging. Okay, let's begin then. आपका क्या definition है ragging?
I feel ragging is like an ice breaking. You get to build a rapport with your seniors. That's the only way you come to know who your seniors are. How can you be with them, interact with them?
See, there are so many events that are held in colleges. You can have different societies in colleges. People do interact at that time. You can always interact with your seniors. It's not like ragging is the only way to interact with them.
We saying कि ragging होनी चाहिए लिमिट तक. जब तक फन है तब तक ठीक है.
तो इसका मतलब है हम रैगिंग शुरू करें, उसके बाद वापस एक अमन की जान जाए, उसके लिए वेट करें एक और अमन मरे, उसके बाद हम रैगिंग बंद करें.
You just can't blame ragging because बनाने वाले ने तो गन भी बना दी. उसको हम लोग मिलिट्री में भी यूज करते हैं, टेररिज्म के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. तो बात यह है कि the way we use the things, so it depends कि बंदे का mentality क्या है. You just can't blame ragging for it.
We have the current example of Aman. So we need to decide limitation. It's like he succumbed to his injuries and it's going to be fatal at times. So you have answer for that. Who's going to decide the limits?
I can see the colleges in Bombay, you see there are not much of ragging happening, but in colleges in rural places like Patna, Delhi and all, I guess the authorities, and it's the authorities who are allowing all of that to happen. For the fun of it, for the sake of it, it's okay. But to an extent, but that extent, I guess the authorities and the students come up together and decide what has to be done.
जब हम लोग juniors होते हैं, then we get ragged. और जब हम seniors बनते हैं, हम लोगों को rag करते हैं. Why does that happen?
It has really helped some guys. Like for me, it has really helped me. कि मैं seniors से मिला हूँ, they have helped me so much. So I think if you kind of rag your juniors, अभी लगेगा कि हम लोग ही ले रहे हैं, थोड़े टाइम बाद they'll comfortable कि okay, that's good. We have a good rapport with these guys.
हम उसको नेगेटिव साइड से कंसीडर करें. अगर हमने किसी एफई को बहुत गलत तरीके से रैक किया है तो ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है आगे चल के उसको और गलत तरीके से वो दूसरे को रैक करे, क्योंकि उसको गुस्सा आया था लास्ट टाइम मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था तो मुझे और भी ऐसा करना चाहिए था.
रैगिंग कोई अगर सोचता है कि हाँ मुझे इसका रैगिंग करना, doesn't anyone think कि हाँ मुझे इसका मर्डर ही कर देना है. See, sometimes ऐसा होता है कि freshers don't go and approach their seniors जिसकी मतलब क्या बात करूँगा, what will I do? So it's better the seniors go and break the ice.
My question is कि क्या करना चाहिए? What should you do about it?
अमन जैसा केस हुआ एक, तो अगर कोई सस्पेंड होगा तो वो भी तो हिस्ट्री बन जाएगा. वो भी पता चलेगा कि लोगों को हाँ ये सस्पेंड हुआ है, मुझे रैगिंग बंद करना चाहिए.
Why can't we stop ragging as seniors? And why don't we let our juniors follow our footsteps? Why do you want to rag?
You can't just ban anything just because there are rare cases somewhere. You can't ban ragging totally.
Because of their पागलपंती के, जैसे एक और अमन की जान जाए, हम लोग इंतजार करें एक और अमन मरे, तब जाके हम रैगिंग बंद करेंगे.
हम एक और अमन के मरने का इंतजार करना ही नहीं चाहते. That is what we are saying. But ragging should not be completely banned. It should be conducted in a right manner. ताकि हम सीनियर्स के साथ इंटरैक्ट कर सके. कुछ भी हुआ तो it's our senior who will help us.
That's it from Tharumal Jahani Engineering College. Our Talkback. Thank you very much. Oh my God, यार तुम लोग को सिरदर्द नहीं होता ऐसा करके?
शुरुआत में होता है, फिर आदत हो जाती है.
That's mind-boggling, man. Let's go see what the guitarist is up to. बड़ा बड़ी आप रॉकर लोगों के बाल इतने लंबे क्यों होते हैं?
बस लंबे होते हैं क्योंकि लंबा करना चाहते हैं.
टाइम नहीं मिलता है काटने के लिए, is that it?
टाइम भी मिलता है बट पैसे बच जाते हैं.
All right, you guys have also won the BITS Pilani Festival in Goa, am I right?
Yes.
Bani is rocking it right now in Goa at that very same festival, BITS Pilani. Check it out.
हर कॉलेज फेस्टिवल में फैशन परेड तो होना ही होना है 100%. लेकिन यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स फैशन परेड को फैशन परेड नहीं बोलते. पता क्या बोलते? फैशन. I don't know why, but फैशन क्योंकि वो बहुत ही कूल है.
अब ऑफ कोर्स हम ये इवेंट कवर करेंगे, लेकिन MTV स्टाइल यानी कि बैक स्टेज। आइए। अभी आपको शायद 5 मिनट रह गए for you to go on stage, तो what is going through your mind?
I'm scared. I'm damn nervous. I'm too scared. I'm too nervous.
बिल्कुल नर्वस नहीं हो? आप नॉर्मली ऐसे ही हो?
हाँ, cool.
We are supposed to, walk confidently, show our attitude if we have any, and try to impress the crowd.
I'm not panicking. I know we can do this because it's Salgaonkar Law College and we've always been the best.
Walk के अलावा, how else do you prepare?
We think about the clothes, what we are going to wear, and figure out where we can get them because we have limited supply.
It's a complete beachwear without exposure. ये क्या है, आप लड़कियों के जूडो के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं?
This is for Splitsville around.
I'm the ultimate casual look with these simple punk bands and a simple hairband.
This is the Splitsvilla look again when I'm out on a date.
Tattoo. Look, you're so shimmery. Oh, look, and it's matching pink hairbrush and it's matching pink bangles. Look, I'm wearing flats and she's wearing heels.
They are about 4 inches.
उधर मत देखो, censored है. इधर भी मत देखो, censored है. इधर आओ. जितना मैंने सोचा था ना कि ये लोग नर्वस होंगे, उतना नर्वस है नहीं. It's kind of sad यार. लेकिन ये तो बैक स्टेज था. ऑन स्टेज जाकर देखते हैं कितना नर्वस दिखते हैं. आ जाओ.
Thanks, Bani. हम लोग भी मजा ले रहे हैं. We are at the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. It's Zodiac 09. Right now, the theme over here is Go Green. Check it out, these paper bags. Thank you. Yes, I'll use that. Yeah, thank you. Very nice. Oh, very nice. बहुत सारे अच्छे bags हैं. But the winners are right here. Hi, you guys won this event?
Yeah.
देखो इसे साथ में बोलते हैं. Yeah. तो क्यों? Why did you all win, यार?
Because this is a backpack and it's different from others and eco-friendly. Yeah.
Very cool. इसमें लैपटॉप जाएगा?
Me laptop pumped up.
Yeah, possible. Okay, गिर ना जाए. Anyway, but superb, यार. Congratulations. That's really cool. Go green at Zodiac 09. Right now, you check out the Pepsi MTV What's Up poll of the day. IPL में एक नया twist. SRK's team Knight Riders will have 3 captains. So what do you think about this move? Do you think a cricket team requires 3 captains? SMS hi or na to 56882 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. कल हमने आपसे पूछा था, do you think the multiplex strike will increase piracy? 64% ने कहा हाँ, films release नहीं होगी तो people will resort to piracy. 36% ने कहा ना, piracy वैसे भी होती है, films not releasing will make no difference at all. Crowd है. It is fantastic over here. जाने का वक्त आ गया है. We are at the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. Zodiac 09. That is right. जाते we take some live campus mail. This is where Youngistan speaks up. जो अत्याचार हो रहा है कॉलेज में, education system जो भी हो, we have ugly guys in your class. अब लोगों को क्या बोलना है? Speak up now.
Please, no homework. It's not required. We are in. It's more than enough. We are studying so much. We're giving the exams. We don't require the homework.
झूठ बोल रही है. I don't think she studies much. आपको क्या बोलना है?
I think our college is very nice and the crowd rocks really.
RJIT rocks.
RJIT rocks! Please keep sending your emails. Send it to whatsapp@mtvindia.com. For now, keep watching Pepsi MTV. What's up?